Hare Krishna. This is Ramananda Rai's house. This is the place where he was born, Bentapur. So here you can see this is the Kamandalu used by Ramananda Rai. This is a pen. In those days, they would dip the pen in ink and then write it. This is the Tadpatra, palm leaf on which they would write their writings here with this pen. And this is the sword of Ramananda Rai. So Ramananda Rai was born here. Then he became the governor of Kovur, which is in Andhra Pradesh. And then Mahaprabhu met him in South India there. And then Mahaprabhu told him to come and join him in Jagannath Puri. So then Ramananda Rai stays in Jagannath Puri continuously in the association of Mahaprabhu. So Ramananda Rai is actually Vishaka Saki in Krishna Leela. So just like Lalita and Vishaka are very close to Srimati Radharani. So Ramananda Rai and Swarup Damodar Goswami, Lalita and Vishaka, they were very close to Mahaprabhu. So this is one of the descendants of Rai Ramanand. Hare Krishna. So here is the family line of Ramananda Rai. Bhavananda Patnaik, he was the father, and he had 5 sons: Rai Ramananda, Gopinath, Vaninath, Kalanidhi and Sudhanidhi. So Mahaprabhu would call Bhavananda Patnaik as Pandu, and he had 5 sons, the Pandavas. So out of which only Gopinath Patnaik, he got married, and this is the whole family line of Gopinath Patnaik. Huge family line. Ramananda Rai was full time with Mahaprabhu, and Vaninath Rai, he's also mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita. He was a very close associate of Mahaprabhu. In fact, his father donated Vaninath Rai to Mahaprabhu. So you'll read Chaitanya Charitamrita, whenever the prasadam pastimes are there, Vaninath Rai is in charge for serving prasadam. So this is the family line of Ramananda Rai. And here there is a very beautiful deity that the devotees have established of Mahaprabhu talking to Rai Ramananda. So this is Bentapur. This is close to Alarnath. So this is Mahaprabhu meeting Rai Ramanand in Kovur. So you can see all Brahmanas. Chaitanya Charitamrita explains how all Brahmanas would chant, in the procession along with Rai Ramanand, and all the people playing instruments like that. He was a very kingly personality. And this is the deity of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu talking to Rai Ramanand. So Mahaprabhu would have some of the most intimate conversations, talks with Rai Ramanand. So very grateful to be here. Let us all seek the blessings of Rai Ramananda Rai, so that we can achieve his mercy, and through his mercy, the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Rai Ramananda ki jai.